Traditionally, development companies have calculated construction costs to study the feasibility of new projects, making estimations that are far from accurate. This tends to transform into significant departures from the initial estimated costs to the real cost of implementation. There's a knock-on effect not just on construction costs, but also on implementation lead times and the quality of the completed housing. At Grupo LOBE, we use a model that integrates all the agents involved in the process into a single team. Alongside efficient use of new technologies, we attain significant control over costs, which enables new resources to be used where they're really needed, on housing quality and satisfying those who purchase them. During the initial stages, we're focused on finding land in area where there's a potential housing demand. With support from our commercial and marketing team, we undertake market research that allows us to design housing in accordance with the needs, preferences, and economic possibilities of our future customers. Analysis of each plot begins with an overview of the development, which requires extensive knowledge of all the parameters that will affect it, whether contextually with its surroundings or in terms of urban or legal issues. When the housing under consideration meets our own design and quality requirements, we move on to the next part of the study. Here we start to profile the development project. This becomes an indispensable tool in the work done through the depth of knowledge and control achieved over the project, the result of the synergy between our development, architecture, and manufacturing teams. Our methodology enables us to assess projects flexibly while maintaining a solid base. This is achieved through detailed cost quantification and considering all the factors involved, thus eliminating estimations. Hence, it takes us just 2 weeks to move on to analyzing feasibility. This detailed, real information on the development project enables definitive decisions to be taken from data in the concept and specification definition stages, in addition to analyzing any repercussion on the economic feasibility of a development. All this information is extracted from the project and pursued across the coming stages. This is achieved thanks to having a development project linked to a powerful database, which stores and enables access to real-time information by means of constant feedback. This allows us to manage all stages of any project. In turn, from this development project, we obtain information for future processes, such as the pursuit of the basic project or the creation of the commercial dossier. This means pre-sale can start in record time, while removing any possibility of errors or information loss in the communications process. A quantitative and qualitative script is thus created for the pursuit of projects in this section. Equally, we're ahead on correct decision-making thanks to real data. We have a highly detailed project through automated economic quantification by means of assessment and standardization of construction options, with the resources necessary for production and ready to be managed. Hence, we have a real estate product with high-level marketability, design, and energy efficiency. Grupo LOBE: quality, design, and sustainability.